Hello, looking at PSYK today and a few other psychedelic tickers, and this is just coming from a guy who is untrained, who is interested in the price action and the charts, and in no way is this financial advice. So getting right into it here, PSYK had a nice green candle today with an average amount of volume, about 350K, which has been around the what it's been at for the last few trading days. Zooming in on the hourly, started off the day around 950 and ended at 979. Let's take a look a little closer at the 15-minute. So started off really strong here at the top of the day and had this nice bullish move up to 990. Looks like a formation of a flag, as if I know what I'm talking about, which didn't hold up so well, but we're in this range of the EMA 12 and 26. See if that can act as support, or if we drop below it and it acts as resistance. Definitely looks like that 990 is resistance. It bounced off of that a few times today and rejected it. Bringing up the drawings we have. Again, these are just areas of interest prices. They're not any kind of support that I would bet on, but it's a good sign if they are able to hold these. So we can draw another one in. It would be good tomorrow if 971 held, but we'll see that first thing in the morning. And of course, if that holds and 990 breaks, that's a very good sign, but it might just trade within a range for a little while. Zooming back out to the hour, we can see this kind of pattern of bullish steps going up, and I'm curious to see if that continues. A real quick look at the prices and price action today on a few other psychedelic names. This is NUMI, had a big green candle ending off at 143. Zooming in on the hourly, there was a lot of momentum going up today, and we're trading above the 12 and 26 EMA, so that may act as support. Looking at drawings on the daily, it would be nice for the bulls if 121 held, which was the last higher low, and I would imagine this 169 is going to act as a little bit of resistance. We'll see what happens when it gets up there. MMED on the daily is continuing its bullish move with a green candle ending off at 432. Daily volume is starting to climb. Zooming in on the hourly, had a good start to the day and now is above the 12 and 26 EMA. HOLL also had a green day with a decrease in bull volume and ended off the day at 40 cents, as well above the 12 and 26 EMA. 52 cents is going to be some sort of resistance, so it'll be interesting to see what happens if and when it gets up there, but definitely a nice move off of this low of 24 cents a few days ago. TIUM is continuing its push north, ending off at 74 cents with an increase in volume. Zooming in on the 2 hour, we can see that the majority of that volume came in after this move topped out at 76 cents, and then a whole bunch of bear volume came in and drove the price down just a penny, not 2 pennies. But it is above the 12 and 26 EMA like a lot of the other psychedelic stocks today, at least on the 2 hour. Oh, and it is on the daily too. Be interesting to see if it can stay above that. Use it as support. 85 cents is going to be some resistance, and in a bullish scenario, there would be setting a daily higher low than 60 cents. So quite a bit of range in there. CMPS on the daily had a green candle and increasing volume. Zooming out to the weekly, bulls would hope that this 41.25 is the higher low compared to 39.09 from a few weeks back. MYCO on the daily dropped to yet another lower low. Yikes. Ending off the day at 45 cents, decreasing bear volume, and the RSI is not really oversold on any time frame. That's it for a quick tour of some psychedelic tickers today. Some correlation there I'm seeing. It's interesting. Curious to see what happens next.